Hi everyone, in this lecture we are going to talk about HTML buttons. HTML buttons, they are another clickable element of our HTML document. Now, the way that we can create an HTML button is writing the entire name. So you can just say B and then hit enter and it's going to create a button for you. You need to write button. And I'm just going to say next, and when I save that, you're going to see that this actually looks like a button because it is actually a button. Now, for beginner developers, this is often confusing because HTML buttons, they are clickable. HTML links or anchors, they're also clickable. Most of the times they are styled in the same way, but you might think, where should I use HTML button and where can I use the HTML anchor element? Again, first off, keep in mind that these two are completely different elements used for different purposes. So if you want to provide your user with an external web page as a resource, you know that you need to use an HTML anchor element. But if you have some kind of video or within your web page, or you're creating a game in your web page, or you want to close a pop-up window on your web page, then you need to provide a button for that. So these two are completely different elements and they have completely different uses. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.